Tired of choppy, robotic slow-mo that ruins your cinematic vision? Today, we're unlocking the secret to buttery smooth, high-quality slow motion right inside Adobe Premiere Pro, transforming your footage from ordinary to absolutely breathtaking. First, bring your footage into Premiere Pro and place it on your timeline. This technique works best with footage that was originally shot at a higher frame rate. Think 60 frames per second or higher. If your footage isn't at a higher frame rate, don't worry. We'll cover how to optimize it. Now, right-click on your clip in the timeline. We're going to go to Speed Duration. In the Speed Duration menu, we can adjust how much we want to slow down our footage. For this example, let's aim for a dramatic half speed, so we'll set the speed to 50%. Here's the crucial part. Look for the time interpolation dropdown. By default, it's usually set to frame sampling. This is what causes that choppy look. We need to change this. For the smoothest results, especially with higher frame rate footage, select frame blending. This tells Premiere Pro to intelligently blend adjacent frames together to create new frames, filling in the gaps smoothly. Now, let's explore an even more advanced technique for maximum smoothness, particularly for footage shot at standard frame rates of 30 fps or even to 4 fps. Right-click on your clip again and go to Time Remapping. From the Time Remapping options, choose Show Box. This will add a new track above your clip. Now, right-click on that new track and select Optical Flow from the Time Interpolation options. Optical Flow analyzes the movement in your footage frame by frame and generates entirely new frames based on that motion. It's incredibly powerful for creating incredibly fluid slow motion, even from footage that wasn't shot with slow-mo in mind. Once you've applied either frame blending or optical flow scrub through your timeline, you'll immediately notice the difference. That jarring stutter is gone, replaced by a smooth, cinematic flow. And there you have it. You've now mastered the art of creating professional, smooth slow motion in Premiere Pro, ready to elevate your storytelling. Go out there and make your footage sing.